Multiply 270 by 200 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 2. Start two places to the left. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. The third partial product is 54,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, 0 plus 4 is 4. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 5. The whole negative number product is 54,000. So 270 times 200 is 54,000.